Sight is the sense that allows you to experience light energy. Light passes through your eye's cornea and is focused by the lens onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina contains light receptors that generate nerve impulses when they are triggered by light energy. The nerve impulses are sent to the brain, which translates them into information, so that we can see where we are going.
So next,
sensory receptors in the skin allow you to sense changes in temperature, pressure, pain, or vibration.
So here they're asking you, they're showing you that my feelings, the way you touch can recognize how hot the substance is, okay, the warm is the temperature.
Hearing is the sense that allows you to experience the energy of sound waves. People's ears pick up these sound wave vibrations with specialized structures in the ear. Sound energy is transferred from the outer ear to the middle ear, and then sound receptors in the inner ear respond to the sound waves by sending electrical impulses to the brain through the auditory nerve.
For you all girls, you don't need to know such more in details. You just need to know this is the outer ear, this is the middle ear, and this is the inner ear. Okay? And the sound receptors in the inner ear responds, the inner ear, not the middle one. This inside. You see the circle there? Okay? There it responds to the sound waves by sending electrical impulses to the brain. It goes to the brain and informs that you need to hear this, and these all are through the vibrations. Okay, I think so in the first lesson I've taught you about, in grade 5 you have studied about sound, and there you studied about how vibrations help you to listen to a thing. Okay, so let us continue.
Your nose is the sense organ for your sense of smell. Chemical cues flow into your nose and are picked up by the sensory cells located at the top of the nose. These sensory receptors produce electrical signals that are sent to the brain.
So on the top of the nose, we have some receptors. Those are sensory receptors. And those sensory receptors, they produce some signals, electrical signals, that are sent to the brain. Okay? So these are the different organs inside. Sinuses, cartilage. Remember I told you cartilage is a type of a bone which is very soft. Olfactory nerve. This nerve is the nerve which is connected to the signal to the brain, which is actually responsible for the impulses. Finally, goes to the taste.
Your sense of taste is a chemical sense. Taste buds on your tongue pick up chemicals in what we eat or drink. Taste cells react to 5 tastes: sweet, salty, savory, bitter, and sour.
It's sweet, salty, savory, bitter, and sour. Maybe if you have studied in your previous classes, you have to know about different positions. Like if I tell you the tip, you can do it today. You can take sugar and put on the tip. You can take sugar, put on the back side of the tongue. See where exactly you can feel the sweet, feel where exactly you can feel the salt, or you can taste salt, and where exactly you can taste the bitter. So I'm sure you all understand.
Here's a matching game. Identify the main parts of the nervous system.
So
drag the name of each part to its correct spot.
I miss you all when I do this because we used to do in the class together. Girls, till now I taught you about peripheral nervous system, central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord. I'm sure you all know about it. This is my brain. Okay. Where is it? Here. This is my brain. Here I'm talking about spinal cord, that's central nervous system, and this is the peripheral nervous system because it's about the distribution of the nerves. And here the yellow column is the spinal cord, which is covered by vertebrae.
The brain and spinal cord form the central nervous system.